Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about Selenium architecture or how Selenium internally works. So in Selenium architecture we have client, we have servers, we have drivers and we have browsers. Now client is also called as language binding. It is nothing but the languages which is used to write the automation scripts. It can be your Java, it can be your Ruby, PHP.NET, C#, anything. So that is called as language binding. Now next you have server. Now server is nothing but your Selenium WebDriver. Now why it has come into the picture? Because your language binding, it communicates with your server and perform action on your browsers with the help of your drivers. So that is why it has come into the picture. Now why your drivers have come into the picture is because it acts as a translator between your servers and your browsers. So as I said, your drivers act as a translator between your server and browsers. It uses a protocol which is called as JSON wire. Now what exactly is JSON wire? Guys, when we write any command in Selenium or we try to write anything in Selenium, each and every command or each and every line in Selenium, it is actually an API. It is a REST API. So when I write, let's say example driver.get.url, it is actually the REST API that get executed. So when you are writing any command, let's say you are writing driver.get.url, in that case, it is a JSON which is going to the browser's driver in the form of JSON, and in the form of URL it is going, which is going to the driver browsers, which is finally making browsers to execute each and everything. The language binding will communicate to the server and perform actions on browser with the help of driver executable file, which is nothing but this driver, that is Chrome driver for Chrome browser, Gecko driver for Mozilla browser, IE driver for Internet Explorer browser, etc. Now finally your driver, it acts as a translator between your server and browser, and for communicating it uses JSON protocol, JSON wire protocol. So for every command in Selenium, example driver.get.url, we have an API in the form of JSON wire protocol, which is in the JSON format, which will go to the browser driver in the form of URL. And each driver browsers has its own HTTP server. So when you are writing driver.get.url, it is the API in the form of URL which is going to the browser's driver. And guys, these browsers you have, right? Any browser you have. Now these browsers do not want any third-party applications like Selenium to see its internal code. And that is the reason we have browser's driver come into the picture, because your browsers, they do not want any third-party application to directly communicate with it, because they do not want their logic to be seen by any other third-party application. And that is the reason we have browser's driver. I have explained it in a very detailed way. I hope whatever I have said is totally understandable, you guys. If not, list out all your doubts in the comment section. I will be very happy to clear all your doubts. You think this video was useful? Share this video with your needy friends. Subscribe to my channel Software Testing by MPD. Thank you.